All right, y'all. So we just dropped the squid down, and I think we got a good one on. He's fighting really hard right now. Could be a 20-pounder. Might need to loosen my drag up just a little bit. Yeah. Let's see what we got. Good morning, y'all. Capt.Collier here. Welcome back to another episode. So we're out here on Dolphin Island this morning. We're going to be running a charter today, and I want to take y'all along to show you what it's like to be a deckhand on a charter and all the amount of work that goes into it. So started out this morning getting up about 3:30, got here, got the boat rigged up, got all the rods, we got ice, we got everything prepared, ready to go. We're just sitting here waiting on our customers right now, watching this storm form up here in the Mobile Bay. The Gulf of Mexico is clear right now, so hopefully we can find us a window, shoot through it, get on out there and catch some snapper and grouper. If y'all are interested in booking a charter, I'll have a link down in the description below. I've been helping run a few charters here lately. Me and Captain Eli right here, old mullet boy.
Come join us.
Yeah, I cut my mullet off and then he starts growing his. But this is the best riding boat on the island, in my opinion. And you've got the best seats. We'll put these in the back, all these bean bags, and it'll literally be the best ride and possibly sleep of your life. Going offshore, about an hour trip. But we're gonna go ahead and wait for the customers here and get on the water and get on out there. We will see you when we get on some fish. It's a little snotty out here.
Just some threes.
Yeah, GoPro does not do it justice. Yeah, foot and a half seas. Still running 30 miles an hour. Got your bait? Ow, sucker. Give you the pink one. You good?
Stand up against this. Put your knees up.
Still got bait? No? Okay.
Get one of these crocodokers out of here.
Come on. Hey, buddy, come here. Hey.
He needs you, Chris.
I got it. Go ahead.
I couldn't hold the rod.
It just got sharked. I think it was a snapper. He got sharked. You got bait?
Nope.
Fishing on credit. There we go.
Make sure.
Here you go, man. I got it free spooling.
10 seconds.
I got it free spooling. Put your thumb on there. Okay. There we go. First snapper. He's a keeper. First snapper. Keeper. Not a monster. It is a little sporty out here today. Sorry if I get you a little wet. Just trying to get this blood off the deck here. Big snapper. Get on.
Yeah, it might be something different, huh?
Running out.
Perfect form. Perfect form.
10 out of 10. He's acting sharkish now. Look. Yeah.
About an 8 count, man.
Hooked up. That's a big snapper. Big snapper. Oh yeah. That's a big snapper right there. Biggest one of the day. Come on.
He's a fighter.
So this is your fishing spot, huh?
From a few years back, I think we sat here and caught our limit one day.
Really? There he is.
Carl's milking this thing like a Mountain Dew. Getting all you can get out of it, Carl.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Sucking it. Woo, that's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for right there.
Big snapper.
That's what we're looking for. That's why it's called a scow, right?
That's right.
15-pounder.
All day. This one could eat the other ones we was catching a while ago. Perfect hook set too. You know what kind of bait you had? Was it a croaker?
Croaker.
Here you go.
Good one.
Another 15-pounder.
There you go. Watch that weight.
Oh my gosh, that's a huge one.
Oh, we got a double. Woo! Woo!
He stopped taking line.
Oh yeah.
I love it. There you go. Bet you do.
I got the video for you right here. Cranking it. Got it in low gear and just winding. Y'all sure you ain't got the same fish?
Man, don't do
Nope,
that to him.
two separate ones right there.
They coming up just at the same time. Perfect.
Oh yeah, look at this slab coming up, Mr. Emmy.
Woo!
Look right there. Right there. Look at that thing.
Oh yeah. Got the bucket.
I got it. I got the line.
Got this slick.
That's it right there.
Gotta be careful with it. Son.
Hold up.
Yeah, a couple of Carl Scow hammers right there. And that we after Brandon?
60 pounds of snapper.
That's what we after Brandon.
Yeah, I'd say so.
That was a good 2 minutes.
Now we'll get your fresh bait.
Awesome. Give me a high five on that.
Of course,
High five.
put it in a bucket. It's pretty good for
Yeah,
a snapper.
well.
Might have had it on that pole that was sitting in there. Oh my God.
I put her in low gear for her.
I was like, what is that for?
There you go, Krista. There you go, Tammy.
Whoa, triple.
Hey on. Hey on.
Good ones again.
Oh. You need help?
Stay with him, Nana. Stay with him, Nana.
Woo. That's a big one, what she's got.
Oh, yeah. Just let slack out. She might be one.
All right, he's got to be close. There we go. I got color. I got color.
Yes, sir. Another good snapper there, Carl.
Nice.
Good one. Maybe that one.
Oh yeah, Nana. That's just a big old snapper.
Woo, woo, right in the meat.
Where's his line, Brandon?
Going port. Right up under the boat.
Yeah, now he's just right under the
Good
boat.
now?
Yes.
Right under it.
Good job, Nick. Looking good.
I bet this is the biggest one of the day right here.
He just had to be patient for it.
There he is. There she is. Come on. We're halfway there. Just like Bon Jovi said.
Oh, Tammy's on already?
Whoa!
That's a good one. Hold it steady. Nice and smooth. Spin you around.
Oh yeah.
Spin around now.
Oh
Good
yeah.
one.
Nice, man.
Hey.
Oh, you don't. Yeah, buddy.
That's what we're talking about. Look, he's got someone else's hook in his mouth. Right there. Broke off. You want a picture with this fish? While it's still good and lively? Awesome. Go ahead and throw them in there. You gotta just pull that right there, pull it up. Nice. Y'all look at that box of snappers right there. That's where it's at. It's a lot of meat. Yeah, she's got one of them.
Kind of working a little bit, Carl.
We'll say it's 7 pounds. 7.5.
It's baby.
It's small.
Yeah, now. Pull that sail off this public wreck.
That's the biggest one of the day.
Pull that sail off this
Think so? About the same size. Yeah.
That's a pyramid fish, yeah, Brandon.
Pyramid. Public wreck. Oh yeah. Hold that one up for the camera.
No bumps, Nick?
All right, y'all, so we're just gonna talk a little bit about the rigs that we're using here. This is just called a sow rig, is what we call it. And all it is a little 3-way type swivel. We've got a 10-ounce bank sinker weight. We've got about, I'd say, 3 foot of 60-pound fluorocarbon leader, snelled to, I believe, what is that, a 5/0 owner?
5/0 owner.
Yeah, 5/0 owner. And we are just pairing that setup with either little live pinfish or live croaker that we put in the bait pen this morning.
White trout.
White trout.
It's like an 18-inch white trout.
Yeah, just a little pro tip for y'all. If you can get some live white trout about 7-8 inches long, that's the ones that catch the sow snapper. But we're having a pretty good day out here despite the conditions. It's about 3 to 4s out here. The GoPro does not do it justice, but we just about got our limit of snapper right now. We're just kind of nitpicking a few other spots, checking some bottoms, seeing what other kind of species we can get on, possibly some beeliners or cobia, maybe a grouper. We're still only at about 130 foot of water, so grouper is less likely, but we're gonna continue to catch some of these fish, and we'll see y'all back at the dock when we get there. All right, boys and girls, we are back at the dock now. Here's our catch. Not a bad day considering the conditions. It was really rough this morning and the current was bad, but we ended up getting our limit of snappers, so not a bad day. If y'all are interested in booking a charter with me or Captain Bo, I'll have links in the description below. Y'all can go check that out, book a trip. But now starts the fun time, which is clean the boat, clean the fish, and that's what we're fixing to do right now. No, I didn't do any fishing today, but it's nice sometimes just to get out there and put people on fish and enjoy the time out there on the water. So until next time, we will see y'all back out on the water. That boat looks familiar. Who's them guys right there?
They ain't got a fishing public shirt on, man.
Where's your fishing public shirt?
I got 2. I said somebody got to hook me up.
Old Potato Head and Mr. Tanner D's, they coming in clutch, bringing some live croakers for the Alabama Deep Sea Rodeo coming up this weekend. We're gonna stash them in a cage, that way we'll have plenty of bait. But yeah, let's see if they can pull the boat up here without wrecking it. I trusted them with my boat this afternoon while I was out here on this charter. Did you bring me some beer? All right. What'd you catch?
White drum down on that.
Nice.